Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Narine and we're here today at Rockland, and today we're going to discuss how to avoid an overfilled appearance. So to avoid looking overfilled with dermal fillers, patients should really follow the following tips. First of all, it's important to start by choosing a skilled and experienced practitioner who has a good track record with dermal fillers. It seems obvious, but sometimes we don't think that's true. And the knowledge that they have and the expertise and experience that they have will certainly help to provide you with natural looking results. The second tip would be to communicate your goals clearly. During your consultations, it's literally your moment to shine. It's your chance to clearly express your concerns, express and articulate your desired outcome, and talk about the specific areas that you want to enhance. There's nothing to be shy about. It's your time with your doctor to tell you what you want to do. So discuss your concerns about looking overfilled. Make sure that you emphasize your preference for having a natural result, and don't be shy to describe why this bothers you so that your consultant will understand in that moment how to best assure your goals and make sure that that's met at the speed that you want and you can afford. Express that you want to start with a conservative treatment. It's advisable to start with a conservative approach when using dermal fillers, because if you start with a smaller amount of filler, you can achieve a subtle enhancement. You can always add filler additionally later on, and you can build things up progressively and slowly to see how things improve and allows for swelling, say with lips. If you consider a gradual treatment plan rather than trying to achieve everything all in one session, this gradual approach will allow you to monitor and allow the practitioner to monitor the effects of your filler and make the adjustments as needed. You want to make sure that you are getting a proper hyaluronic acid filler, and speak to your practitioner about what kind of filler is best for the area of your face that you're using. Make sure you understand that you don't use a soft filler when you need to use something that's an on-bone lifting. That way you get a more durable result, you'll have a more satisfaction with your treatments, and you avoid having issues by using the wrong type of filler, which may be less flexible and could cause bumps or nodules in the face. And simply put, just try to avoid using excessive filler in a single session. It's important to build it up with time. I can't emphasize that enough. So overfilling can lead you to have an unnatural appearance. We don't want to transform your face to somebody else. We don't want you to make you look like a specific one face type of model. You want to keep your individuality. You want to keep unique points about your face. So discuss that in your consultation. And finally, make sure that you follow the aftercare instructions that your practitioner gives. Proper aftercare is important for achieving optimal results and minimizing complications. So if you follow those instructions, excluding or avoiding strenuous exercise, excessive sun exposure, or certain medications and supplements that could thin your blood, that will minimize bruising and make sure that you don't have extra swelling and so on. So be patient. It takes time for the swelling and bruising to subside after dermal filler injections. It's very frequent, it's very common. And you want to give time to your body to heal and for the filler to settle into position, to hold onto the skin before assessing the final outcome. So for instance, with lips, it's not the next day or 2-3 days or even a week later where you make the decision about the final result. It's several weeks later. So by communicating your aesthetic preferences and remaining with your points that make you unique, you'll truly have a better experience, you'll avoid complications, you'll have a good relationship with your practitioner because you've explained and communicated what your needs are, and that's going to lead to an excellent result and you're going to avoid having complications. Look forward to seeing you soon.